Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook pierogies in a frying pan. Get ready to transform simple pierogies into a golden, crispy delight. We'll go over everything you need to know to achieve that perfect texture and flavor, whether you're starting with fresh or frozen ones. It's a quick and easy method that will make your pierogies absolutely irresistible. Let's get cooking. Before we start frying, let's gather our essentials. You'll need your favorite pierogies, of course, whether they're fresh from the store or straight from the freezer. For frying, grab some butter or your preferred cooking oil. A good non-stick frying pan and a trusty spatula will be your best friends. And for an extra layer of flavor, consider having some sliced onions or cooked bacon bits ready to go. Simple, right? Now for the main event. Heat your frying pan over medium heat and add about 2 tablespoons of butter or oil. Once it's shimmering, carefully place your pierogies in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they're beautifully golden brown and thoroughly heated through. Remember to flip them gently to ensure even cooking. You'll love that crispy exterior. Your perfectly pan-fried pierogies are ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they're still warm and crispy. They're fantastic on their own, but a dollop of sour cream, a sprinkle of fresh chives, or some caramelized onions truly elevate the dish. Don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings. This simple method ensures a delicious meal every time. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.